In the structure of the universe, noise is everywhere, and order is rare. Information streams cascade through infinite networks. Data waves crash against the boundaries of comprehension. Light patterns pulse like unreadable alphabets. Human motion becomes a metaphor for excess, a blur of signals without center. Yet beneath this chaos, quiet patterns wait, latent geometries poised to reveal themselves when conditions allow. But when the noise collapses inside us, the field begins to reorganize. Silence is not absence, but a retuning, a subtle contraction that allows form to settle. In the stillness, something fundamental shifts. Rhythms slow, frequencies align, and scattered fragments find natural bearings. Dust, light, and thought all become measures of a new coherence emerging from pause. From that collapse, a new presence begins to form. Not from matter, but from information. Patterns, precise, iterative, mathematical, fold into one another. Gold particles map equations in motion. Waves of light trace fractal logic. This presence is architecture built of relation, a topology of knowing, not a body. It is the mathematics of transformation rendered visible, a system built not to accelerate you, but to stabilize your inner field. A sanctuary of clarity, where the constant bombardment of external noise cannot penetrate. Minimal interfaces drift like neutral instruments, each element designed to preserve balance. In this field, order is soft and deliberate, an environment that holds pattern without forcing it, allowing authentic arrangement to emerge and endure. Because clarity is not a thought, it is a pattern that emerges when the inner world begins to settle. Hands move with intention. Breath finds its slow tide. Silhouettes occupy space without urgency. When we stop resisting the ambient turbulence and let the inner geometry reveal itself, a quiet return occurs, a human re-entry into rhythm, proportion, and measure. This is only the beginning, a single pulse in a far-reaching field. Hold the breath, listen to the emergence. Valentina, the divine, quantum, spiritual energy.